Wars and technological innovations have been advancing together, outlining ambitions and fears. It's astonishing how the art of conflict has transformed, especially in the last century, and how it echoes the warnings of ancient prophecies described in the most read book in the history of humanity, the Holy Bible. For millennia, up to the 18th century, wars changed little. Fought with armor, swords, spears, always relying on the brute force of combatants and animals on the front line. But today, the scenario is drastically different. An arsenal of thousands of nuclear weapons has the power to eradicate all life on the planet. Autonomous drones patrol the skies. Within just a few decades, humanity has moved from hand-to-hand conflicts to wars mediated by satellites and computers that make decisions with efficiency and coldness. Jesus once said in Matthew 24:6, "You will hear of wars and rumors of wars, but do not be alarmed. This must happen, but the end is still to come. Nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be famines and earthquakes in various places, but all these are the beginning of birth pains." These words resonate in a world where war knows no borders, becoming a cruel reality with a capacity for destruction without limits. As it is written in Daniel 12:4, "Many will go here and there to increase knowledge." Here we are. The tools of war from less than a century ago now seem obsolete compared to the satellites that orbit our globe and the modern machines of war that monitor every movement in conflict areas. The capacity of nuclear power shows that we can destroy more than we have ever been able to create. Electronic, chemical, radiological, biological, and nuclear devices have been conceived and developed solely for war. The decision between destruction and construction is in the hands of a few world leaders. Are we prepared? Do you know what the future holds? Do you know what is to come? If so, write in the comments, "I know."